Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is having a good weekend so far. So let's go over the YieldMax ETFs week over week summary. So in case you're new, I try to summarize like each of the YieldMax ETFs week over week to see kind of like the dollar change and then also the percentage change. So for example, AIYY unfortunately took a dip this week, 15 cents per share. So it's about 1.3% over the week, and then you can see like the cash position went up like 20 cents, the option position went down 31 cents, and then the treasuries went down about 4 cents. And then for example, AMDY also had like a bit of a dip this week, down $1.03, down 6.86%, etc. And then you can kind of see like the change in position between like the cash, the option, and the treasuries. And also, like if you notice, like on the YieldMax website, where I'm pulling this data from, like the top section with like the shares outstanding, you'll notice it's almost always on like a one day lag behind like the other section, like the trade detail information, that they try to post for like the next business day. So this is how I'm pulling it, so you can see like the different pieces, like by like the cash, the option, and the treasuries. Just to kind of summarize everything, because I think these are like the most important different components. So then you can see like AMZY, not down as much as like the other two, so only down like 2 cents this week, down like 11 basis points. And then let me just like scroll down a little bit more. So I guess it'll be a gift to go down like maybe like 3 at a time. So for example, now you can see like APLY also for the week like down like 2.65%. CONY is down 3.54%, and Disney unfortunately also down 5.55%. Although maybe like Disney's fortune might change a little bit. There's a Deadpool and Wolverine movie that seems to be breaking all types of like box office records, so that might help Disney or in DSIO, but who knows? So and then the next we have Phoebe down almost 1.5%. GOOY down like a down 5%. I guess like people didn't like the earnings that much. JPMO, so this is nice to see like someone go up for the week. So this was up like 1.1%, and then you can kind of see like the different changes between like the different components. So let me scroll down a little bit some more. So then the next three for MRNY, also nice to see like someone break like the downtrend. MRNY is up 1.71%. MSFO down 2.3%, and Netflix is up a little bit, like 6 cents per share. So let me like go down to like the next three. NVIDIA, unfortunately, also down 3%, but still up nicely for like for the year. OARK, unfortunately, also down like 1%. PP down about 14 cents, almost 1%. So then let's take a look at the next three. SNOY down a massive like 10.4%, and then TSLY down almost 6%. Unfortunately, people again, the earnings weren't up to the market's expectations, unfortunately. And then SHOMO up 1.13%. So then next three, let's go over OT, YBIT, and crash. So OT down 1.16%, YBIT up 1.08%, and then crash. Well, because of Tesla didn't do as well, so then you should expect crash to kind of do better. So they're up 8.6%. And then the next three, let's look at GDXY, SNOY, and ABNY. So GDXY down 2.05%, SNOY down a little bit, 2 cents, 0.11 basis points basically, and then ABNY down 4.48%. And then of course you should expect like the other two like inverse ETFs, like fiat. So that the opposite of coin. So you see that up nicely, 6.09%. And then dips is new. So kind of like the flip of NVIDIA. So dips versus chips. So that's a pretty cute ETF name. So this one is up past like the like around like the $20 kind of like the standard beginning price for most of these ETFs. So they're up nicely, at least for this week. But so let's hope everything gets a little bit better for some of these the long ETFs. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope everyone enjoys the rest of the weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.